Okay, so at Riverdale, you know, it's a 100-acre like industrial complex, and we've been engaging more with our neighbors. We've been spending more time outside, exploring the site. More people are moving in down here. And I've been trying to figure out, like, how do we get around Riverdale easier without using a car? Golf carts are too expensive and the batteries are too problematic. Dirt bikes are too expensive and dangerous. Electric skateboards, which I have, there's too much gravel around here. So I'm like, maybe like a electric scooter with big, fat, beefy tires would work. And so Spike and I found this bad boy, the High Boy. You want to be a High Boy? Yeah. We watched a video yesterday on how to put it together. Do you remember how to do it? Oh. Is it from overseas? Yes, but I can't afford a $5,000, well, anything, really. So I'm really hoping that this thing functions. Yeah, dude, I'm so pumped. All right, let's lace this stuff up. Ooh, we got our charging brick. Dude, look at all this sweet foam. So apparently this thing will do 25 miles an hour and it has a range of 28 miles. Like, this is literally like meant for commuting.
Yep. In my house, it's less than 28 miles. Yeah. Round trip.
We got a little bit of loose hardware.
Don't hurt the foam.
Oh, headlight, dude.
Oh.
Bazinga.
Zoinks.
Zoinkies. Okay, here we go. Wheel. Dude, feel that tire. Big old fat tire, dude. The Chow Yang tire, dude. All right, I think we're at the base part that we can pull out. Yes, dude. Oh, it's nice and big. I was worried it wouldn't be big enough.
Dude.
I was hoping it'd be just small enough for us
and not
too small for Tay.
Yeah, I mean.
That's nice.
You guys are not treating the High Boy with the kindness.
The High Boy is the toughest electric scooter that's ever been made, Walker. We have to treat it poorly.
Oh, that means that one person can...
You can double scoot. Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah. All right, let's see here. All right, step one, insert the handlebar into the head tube after removing the scooter from the carton.
You're too slow, Spike.
Nothing. I'm too slow. I'm too slow.
It's got disc brakes, dude. Front and back.
You know, lasers and cool stuff on this.
Oh.
Digital display, dude.
Whoa.
Come on now. So this is a brand new product for them, and I was stoked when I saw it because I think we'll get a lot of use out of it. We got to run to lunch. Chris's Custard next door. Run over to Nope Van here and check out the progress on their new shop. You know, run to the Riverdale office or go decompress. You know, take it off some sweet jumps. You know what I mean?
Well, and we need to, you know, a Roanoke City staple. We need to attach a Bluetooth speaker to this thing and play DMX.
Yeah. Is that the one for the High Boy? I just did that. Yeah, I got you.
I believe it's a 8mm. It's always a 10. What am I thinking?
It is always a 10. The freaking headlight is clutch. That stamp steel wrench has pretty much had it, but
it served its purpose.
Yeah. One-time use. Yeah. Okay. We ready for the peel? Got a peel. All right, fender and headlight on. Next is front wheel.
Threaded
on. You can probably just pull it off.
Yeah, but why would I if it's threaded?
Yeah.
Lockers. So, lockers, washer, and nut. Yeah, she's a roller.
The headlight's only going to light up a little bit over there.
Yeah, it doesn't really point.
That's all right.
It's okay.
It's nudged up against. Yeah.
Hi, boy.
Hey, boy.
Electronic.
Yeah, it's safe.
Yeah, we'll get rid of that immediately.
Walker, I do think that we're going to have to reprint some sweet accoutrement.
I believe so.
First thing, cup holder. And we need to find the longest silly straw that we can so that way we can drink and drive at the same time. Not like that.
Okay. Are you ready for the Operation Basic?
Or can you kick it so we can stand it?
Oh, another peel.
I'm surprised we even opened up the directions.
Also, this is the first time we've read the directions on something that we probably didn't need them for.
Yeah. This is sick. Safety instructions. Do not ride in the rain. Keep your speed between 3 and 6 miles an hour when you're running through speed bumps. Do not accelerate when you go downhill. Look out for doors, elevators, and other overhead obstacles.
Elevators? There's a lot of elevators on our way into Riverdale.
How sick this guy looks. Keep both feet on the deck at all times.
Then why would they show somebody so sick?
Yeah, why would they?
Doing that. Yeah.
Why would they do it in such a cool pose?
Do not ride with anyone else, including children.
What?
Do not ride in ponding that is bigger than 7/8 of an inch. Do not ride in traffic lanes or residential areas. Do not keep your hands away from the handlebar. Don't keep them away from. Look at this guy, dude. Is that Evel Knievel?
Standing.
Do not try riding up or down stairs and jumping obstacles, dude.
This is basically saying don't drive it. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah. What am I supposed to do? What is left? Keys. There's a key thing right here.
Weird.
I assume we need keys.
Go, 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 go.
Hey. There's 2 keys. One for you. Show people the startup. Show them the screen. Ready? Whoa. Look at this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a sick light.
Whoa.
Throttle.
Did Twisty the
Oh, this.
wristy?
She wants to go. Oh, sweet. Okay, see ya.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Brakes are great. Fuck yeah. Oh, I set up. It has like an ABS sensor. That's very funny. Dude, get it. That thing's so sweet. It's not that heavy either. The throttle, you just twist it. And the right one's the rear.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Thanks, hi boy. This is awesome.
Yeah. Hello, Riverdale.
I can hear the tire.
All right, so the tires aren't quite rated for that. They're pretty good, but this thing is comfy, man.
Yeah, dude, that was very. All right, Tay, I need you to ride. I need you to ride from the back though.
Okay.
I need to see it.
The low boy.
A little more weight on the wheel.
It looks right. It looks right.
Dude.
Sweet handlebars make sense now.
Yeah.
And we never saw Tay again.
Shit, dude.
Oh my. Oh, there's an elevator in front of you. Watch out.
This thing is awesome.
I love that sound. Oh, he's gone.
Oh, nope. We hear him.
I feel the same way about electric scooters that I feel about electric RC cars. The gas-powered ones are cool. Technically, they're faster and they're neater, but like electrics are sick because you just turn it on and it works. And you don't have to change oil or put gas in it or adjust clutches or tune carburetors, dude. You're just like, bang, go.
Race. Race. Race him, Spike. Go. Go.
How perfect.
Get him. Get him, Spike.
That's perfect. Mike looks like he's about to fall off. Spike, so some people look like they're actually riding things. Spike's looks like it's riding.
He looks like he's a grandpa in like a new mobility scooter.
Yeah, like a new battery.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I think he might be on the way home. Oh, in the shop. How?
Get in there.
Huh?
How'd you get in there?
Dude, Riverdale is not the smoothest of roads.
No.
Handles it really well.
Well, that's why because I have a boosted board, right? And I
Yeah.
love riding that thing. But there's a lot of gravel around here. And you hit gravel on a boosted board because of tiny wheels. You're like, yeah, I saw these and I was like, we got to have that one.
Yeah. Watch out, losers. I don't use my feet no more.
Boost versus scoot.
We're gonna charge this thing fully up, and then I have my boosted board over there. We're gonna take it on a drag race. Spike, which one do you want to drive?
Not the board.
Oh, heck. Didn't see that. You ready to get chopped, dude?
Got one of the old boy.
Oh, how far away is it?
Over there.
Hey, Spike, can I have a ride?
Yeah, where's battery down?
Come on, chunky boy.
Chunky boy.
Chow Yangs, dude.
Yeah, Chow Yangs can withstand anything. All right, go.
See ya.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
What?
No. No. Get there.
It wasn't even close. Nobody ever gets a toy for the editor. Oh. When the sponsors hit us up, it's always, how about a scooter? How about a milling machine? What about a keyboard and mouse for the editor? No, we're not that kind of channel. No, we're a channel who rides scooters, builds things.
All right, Walker, he's gonna start in 2 instead of 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
So which one's the speedy mode? 3?
Yeah,
So the switch on here is 10, 15, and then 25 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So it's not a power limiter, it's a top speed limiter.
yeah, because on second just now, I got up to 17 and I felt it go,
Yeah.
dialed it back.
The motor's like, come on, man.
That was awesome.
Dude, I hit 20 miles an hour on a skateboard. Well, you and your Chow Yangs really took it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
no doubt. I was actually more surprised by how fast it took off.
Yeah, I did not remember it accelerating that
No.
well at Drift Appalachia.
Well, you know, I've been working out, so I really twisted back.
Yeah,
the
you're good.
throttle.
You're good at spinning a pole, are you?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, they'll see a burnout. They'll see a burnout. Let it go. Yes. All right. Well, the high boy, and I mean another point for the high boy. This thing just can't stop getting points, imaginary points that we haven't even laid out for anyone.
I think that I've decided this is my personality now. How do I look on the high boy?
He looks like someone from like San Francisco that thinks he's in a biker gang. It's like the environmentally friendly version of a biker gang.
I'm gonna
All right, we ride for Whole Foods at dawn. Why do companies keep sending us stuff again?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Hi, boy. I hope you liked our product review of the U2 Pro.
Here's the thing. I love it.
No,
Thank you so much.
He really does. I can
I'm
see
so excited.
Spike's like vibrating every day. Just be like, when can I peel off and ride the high boy? Like, oh, you know what? I need an emotional recharge. High
I've been
boy.
putting out double the amount of work I usually do just so I can get on the high boy.
I mean, also in real time, I just got back from Drift Appalachia, and that thing was crucial. I had to ride from our pits to the front and back, all getting gas and food and stuff.
Hi, boy.
What do you know about them Chow Yang tires?
Oh shit, baby, what?
Them real Chow Yang. It's the best pit bike ever.
So we also just, what are you, 170?
180, yeah.
180? I'm 150. And we just had that on here, went 12 miles
You
an
had
hour.
like a 300-pound plus person on here.
Yeah, and then, when you were on here, gas cans or
Yep.
whatever you need to carry.
And you can stand on it like a scooter. Like when you go over bumps, there's no real suspension technically. So if you want to go over a
big,
bump,
fat, cushy seat,
yeah,
baby.
that used to be a lot higher. But all right, let's ride back.
All right. Hold me.
I get Riverdale in the background too.
Yeah.
It's kind of beautiful.
See, Riverdale here, we care about our family and community. We're always supporting each other. And if you have a high boy, even better.
High boy, 2 high boys right there.
Not yet, baby. On light. On high boy. High on this community gathering right now. Brittany, I'm making a tight turn. Do I need to lean?
Lean the opposite way.
Oh no! When I lean, does it make it harder? It doesn't make it easier. Ah! The high boy's not great when you're being,
Oh my God. You have the worst gyro of all time.
Yeah. There's the speed bump.
Fine, he won. It's okay, boosted board. One overseas electrical device just took the other one out.
Hell yeah.
It's kind of cool to know that this thing goes 20 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That is sketch. This thing's rad. This was Aaron's, but I understand how having kids may change your mind about owning a piece of equipment like this.
I want to have a cart, a baby carriage for this. Put the baby right here.
Put a fake baby in there for a crazy video. It's just like shaking out. All right, well, you still rolling?
Yep.
We're not ever really sure why people volunteer to send us stuff like this, but low-key, we kind of needed something like this to get around Riverdale, like, because we want to go see Note Band and support Chris's Custard, and, you know, it just makes sense. Go have meetings at the Riverdale office up front.
Are you guys going to walk?
No, I'm going to take the highboy. I don't walk anymore. I hide.
So as but the bona fide scooter reviewers that we are.
Yeah, listen, this is the best, like, e-bikes channel on YouTube. That's no secret. We do nothing but the best EV reviews. And compared to the long list of e-bikes we've reviewed, this one's by far the best.
By far. I mean, it's not even worth searching for other ones now.
No.
Because this is the one.
I mean, there's probably people watching right there going, man, if I could only send them our e-bike to compare to that. And let me tell you, you absolutely can. Check out the Highboy U2 Pro. This thing's rad. It's brand new to the market. Hit them up, dude. Links in the description. There's definitely a discount code. Viewers of this channel right now, if you're looking for a Highboy U2 Pro, click the link down low. Whatever the discount is or however many % off, it's on screen right now. So enjoy that. Thanks, Highboy, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye, boy.
Bye, boy. Highboy, bye, boy.